coming to me right now. That's probably not tacky now. Welcome back to JordiNic Creations. This Mer-tastic channel is about makeup and skincare related stuff. You like my makeup? Well, if you haven't watched my last video, then go check it out. It's right up here. We are turning this Elsa inspired makeup look into a frostbitten or frozen Elsa look. And I've done this twice before. Once was just because I wanted to, just for fun. Didn't do any pictures. I mean, I took pictures, but it was just random. It wasn't for any like actual photo shoot. But the second time I did it, I actually dressed up in my Anna costume, or my Elsa costume and everything, and took pictures outside in the snow. That was last December, yeah. Got frostbite on my fingertips for a long while, but this is it. That's what it looks like. And here's another one. So I'm gonna try to recreate that. That's the second time I did that look. Let's try to recreate it. Let's just dive right in. First, we gotta start out. I'm starting out with the liquid latex. So I'm putting my hair up. Hey, I got one here. Because you gotta get your hair, you do not want your hair to get in to the liquid latex, or else when you try to remove it, you're gonna remove your hair in the process. Okay, oh, I got a stray somewhere. There it is. Right here. Get away. Okay. Got my nasty latex. I'd like to put it in, I don't know what happened to my smaller ones, my little red one cups. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little at a time. That's why I like to put it in the smaller cups, but I don't know what happened to them. I breathed in. Don't breathe in liquid latex. It's nasty. Okay. To start off, I'm just gonna... I don't know what sponge... I think, yeah, I'm just gonna take my little spatula. Take this end. That's not... Oh gosh. It's overflowing. Just gonna take it, just... dab it. And then put it right about here. As usual, whenever you use liquid latex, test it on your forearm first, so you don't have any to make sure you don't have any allergies. And if you do, then I suggest going for something like scar wax, or actually I'd just suggest scar wax, but there's others out there. There's, I think it's rigid collodion or something like that. I'm gonna make kind of like a heart in my names. Just a thin layer. You don't want to go over each layer too quickly before it like gets, before it like somewhat dries. because it just won't. Yeah, I can't. Words aren't coming to me right now. That's probably not tacky yet. Okay, that's it for the red. Move on to the blue. Dang it. Sorry for the difference in the video and audio quality. Again. My camera is out of storage. The SD card is. So, if you like this look, comment, like, subscribe to this channel to see what I get into next. Subscribe, comment, on this video to see what I get into next. The next video is either going to be a regular Ariel look, because I'm going to be Ariel for Halloween, making my costume. Or it's going to be a beaten up Uma look, which I've done before, but I've just never done it for YouTube. So, I'm gonna end this video right here. Catch me in the next one. I'm gonna swim out. Have a fantastic day.